Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz. 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL 400, luxury, power, and style in every drive. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Turn heads and elevate your drive with the 2016 Mercedes-Benz SL 400. Powered by a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine delivering an impressive 329 HP and 354 pound-foot of torque, this convertible offers thrilling performance with every mile. Enjoy the luxury of a power convertible top and built-in navigation, ensuring smooth cruising and effortless adventure. The white exterior dazzles, while the Bengal Red/black leather interior exudes unmatched sophistication. With less than 74,000 miles and excellent efficiency at 20 mpg city/27 mpg highway, this beauty is as practical as it is luxurious. Plus, it comes with a clean Carfax report, offering peace of mind. Come experience the perfect blend of performance, style, and luxury. Schedule your test drive today.